Welcome to Satvidya Java tutorials. Now we are in section 8. In this lesson we are going to talk about upper bounded wildcards. In our last class we discussed about vehicle example and we continue the same example in this class. So before we start talk about upper bound wildcards, let me explain you a small concept about subclasses. So here we all know the object is the superclass or the parent class of all the classes in Java. That's why in our example the vehicle class, boat, everything is a subclass of object class. Since these are all subclasses, we know that subclass can be assigned to the parent class. So here object is our parent class, that's why I am assigning vehicle class to the object class and boat class to the object class, which is allowed in Java. For example, we have an array list which contains the object. So if you have like this, we might be thinking we can also assign, like as we assigned here, we can also assign boat class to this object class in the array list. But this concept is wrong in Java. We can't do this. It produces a compilation error. So the wildcards came into picture where we can also do this. So let's discuss about the upper bounded wildcards here and also wildcards. So let's talk about a one level example like vehicle, water vehicle, ships, boats and so on. So go to our Eclipse. Here we are going to talk about a water vehicle. So in our last class, our vehicle is not a generic. Here our water vehicle is a generic. So we might be thinking, if it is a generic, in our last class what we did, we cannot assign T here because our vehicle is not a generic. So here T is allowed to assign. It don't produce any compilation error if you are giving T like this. So you can assign. Like as I said, you might be thinking this is the subclass. We can assign any, like all the subclasses here to our parent class. So if you try to do that, let me save this and come to our main method, and here water vehicle is the object that I have created, and here before creating I have to pass and type. So here I am typing a merchandise ship, and here we might be thinking we can pass the subclasses to it. So what we can do, first you can pass merchandise ship and see it is going to allow you. And the subclass of merchandise ship is, as we know, it is a gasoline. So if you are trying to pass the gasoline, it is going to produce an error. It is not allowed. So as I said, you cannot assign the vehicle in array list, vehicle in array list to the object. In the same way, you cannot assign integer to the number class as a list, as an array list. So like this you can do this. So what we can do in order to get this out of this, so what we can do is we can make it like a wildcard. We also call this as unbounded wildcards. If you are just giving a question mark, let me comment this. If you are giving just a question mark without anything, then we call this as a unbounded wildcard. If you are giving that, then it is going to allow you the gasoline, and also it is going to allow you the cruise ships. It also allow you to assign the integer here. So whatever you want you can assign and you can pass it here if you are making it like a wildcard. Well, but in some cases you don't want to make it like a open to all the objects. You want to give some restrictions. As of in my example, I want to restrict this booking ships to only merchandise ships and the subclasses. It goes with the subclasses. I don't want to give permissions, like I don't want user to send like air vehicles or any object that he want. I just want to restrict this wildcard to merchandise ship. So what I can do here, I can use the extend keyword. Let me comment this. I can do the extend keyword to the wildcard. What I can do, question mark extends merchant ship. When I make like that, if you go to our subclass, so our merchant ship contains gasoline and food. And if you have any other subclasses for gasoline and soup, those are all classes we can pass using our class object. So here what happens, whenever I say merchant extends merchant ship, immediately it is going to allow you merchant ships gasoline, but it is going to produce an error if user is trying to pass the cruise ships or any other object. So like this, you can also restrict your wildcards using the upper bounded by making it like a upper bound. So now let's see a quick review about it. So what we discussed here, we have a bounded wildcard card, unbounded wildcards. If you are giving just question mark, then we are going to call it like a unbounded, where you can pass any object of this project or any other objects. And coming to upper bounded, that means if you want to restrict user to send only particular classes, particular subclasses, then you can go for upper bounded, and that can be represented with the extend keywords. Here I am going to extend my wildcard with ships, so I am able to pass all the classes, all the subclasses that belongs to the ships, like merchandise, cruise, gasoline, food, if something contains the cruise. So but you cannot pass boat, vehicle, water vehicle. So like this, the upper bounded wildcards, using upper bounded wildcards, we can restrict our wildcards. So now in our next class, we are going to discuss about lower bounded wildcards and more. Please don't miss it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends who want to learn Java from basics. And please don't forget to subscribe. And for our notifications, please press the bell icon below. And for notes, please visit www.it.satvidya.com. Thank you.